Alright guys, welcome back to the stream. This is literally day 2. I haven't even made any progress or anything. I'm low-key tired, I won't even lie. But yeah, streaming is streaming, bro. Streaming is streaming. We can never stop streaming, as we can say. Uh, it's always called confidence. When you're confident on the SAT, you'll do good. And yeah, so just getting the stream set up real quick. Tired, I won't even lie. But yeah, streaming is streaming, bro. Streaming is streaming. Yeah, so I just think of my camera up top, like video capture. Let's. Yeah, streaming is streaming, bro. Streaming is streaming. Yeah, so I just think of my camera up top, like. Alright, my camera's low-key cooked. I don't even know why. It just like broke or something, which is okay for now. But alright, boys. Today we're gonna start the intensive math stream. Currently, this is incorrect. We'll reload this, and yeah, we're gonna do all the hard math questions today. With Desmos, obviously. We're gonna see where we're at. I think I've done this since. Okay. We left off at this question. Okay, let's start the stream, guys. Let us start the stream. Welcome everyone. I hope everyone has a good day today. What's up? Welcome. Alright, the graph of the equation bxy equals this, blah blah blah. If the line contains this and this, what is the value of c? Very simple, boys. You see 2 points, you make a point, x here, -8 here, 1, 5. This gives you a value of a line. You want to copy this into this whatever format. You have these lines, right? And now you have to say bx minus whatever this equals to 10. Now you have this, right? So you have this. Let's delete the regression, to be honest. And then we can take bx1 plus cy1, and then you read the regression thing. Regression formula equals to 10. Then what is the value of c? C equals to 1.07. I think that's 15 over 14. 1.07. All right, next question, boys. 26. Line S is defined by this is whatever shit. Line S is defined by 4y minus 32 equals 15. Line T is perpendicular. Perpendicular means you just need to find the opposite slope. So let's find this. Let's solve for y really quickly. So here's going to be 4y equals to 32x plus 15. So what is 32 over 4? 32 over 4. Slope is 8, so it'll be negative 1 over 8, the slope. As we say, geniusness. Alright, W. Next question on the stream. 28. Wow. This is some crazy math over here. You can solve this by setting this equal to y or something, but I'm not gonna do this question for the sake of simplicity because I know how to do it, so we're gonna do the next question. Product of two integers is 645. Xy equals to 645. If the first integer is 2 less, first integer is equal to 3y minus 2, something like this. Positive large of the two integers, it's definitely 43. W in chat, W in chat. 43, there you go. Oh, we already did these questions somehow, I don't know. Okay, we're at 48 now. Triangle PQR. Let's draw this out. PQR. PR is 32. It's given if tan of P, OA, so opposite over adjacent. So 32, 8 times what is 32? So let's see that. Give me a second. 32 divided by 8. It's a scale factor of 4, right? Scale factor of 4, so 15 times 4 is what? 60. So then it's gonna be the third side is gonna be Square root of 32 squared plus 60 squared, 68. So 68 plus 60 plus 32. You're getting 160 your parameter, boys. Perimeter, whatever you want to call it. Next question. Bro, I don't know, it's tweaking out. Didn't I already do these? Yeah, I did these questions in school, guys. I promise you. Yeah, I already did these questions in school. They're just not updating properly. It's really laggy. Um, hard math. If you want to get this section, all you need to do is go back to your question set. I put the difficulties hard, and I went in all math, all topics. All the hardest math questions you go on here. It's taking quite a time because I think I'm live streaming, but honestly, I've done everything until 48. Okay, we just solved this question. Wait, it's so laggy, bro. Yeah, we just did this question. Next one. Okay, x minus y, whatever it is, right? So first thing you want to do is, oh my chat, just put this in decimals. X minus y equals to 3. X plus 5, y equals to x squared minus 11. Order pair, so we have this point here. We have this point here. So we're going to do 3 plus square root of 5. What we get? Is that even for solution? Sure. And then square root of 5, 2.23. 5 point this, 2 point this. This is the correct answer, boys. Next question. We have a lot of schizophrenia going on here. Don't worry, when it's schizophrenia, you become schizophrenic yourself. Put everything in the decimals. Let decimals do all the slavery work for you. This is how we do it. This is the way. SAT never cares about actual math, it just cares about what we can put in a calculator apparently. So we're gonna put ax1 plus 4, 3x1 squared minus bx1 plus 5. Let's say x1 is the random of 100 values. AB is given as 18. This is math. All right? This is the power of math. This is the power of math. As you can see, we just solved this crazy problem with nothing at all. All right, perpendicular, dude. We have done these questions so much. This is mentally. So let's do this. Minus 12 over 9, 9 over 12, bro. Are we serious right now? We just clipped this without even using a calculator. Anyways, next question. Circumference is given as 2 pi r, I'm pretty sure. Circumference equals to 2 pi r equals to 10 pi. Take out the pi's. The 2 of the radius's diameter is 10. Radius equals to 5. A volume is pi r cubed, I think. Let's see the volume. Volume of a cylinder. Volume of a cylinder. Pi. Okay, so pi times height times r squared, which is 25. Which is gonna be... Dude, my calculator's tripping out, bro. 375 pi. We had a clip. Next one. Alright, we get this Aviv question. I think Prem Saran correctly did this. We can do this using math, but obviously who uses math when you have decimals? Recall that the function square root of 2, a square root of a equals to a to the power of 1 half, so we can rewrite this x1 to the power of 7 over 3. This is a property you need to know, and then over x to the power of 1 half, x1 to the power of 1 half. Alright, we're setting this equation matrix equal to x to the power of x1 to the power of ab. A over b, let's say x1 equals to random, let's see 10. A over b, let's say decimal form. 11/6 is the answer, boys. Clip this, clip this. Oh my god, internet's bad. No worries. Next question. Function f is defined by this value, xy plane. This is a weird question. A function f is defined by this. An xy plane, the function fx minus 9. That means it's going down. If it goes down minus 9, so we can say if f of x equals to x squared minus 9, this makes it lower 9, right? So think about this property. We can say if the y-intercept is at negative 9, we just add 9. So negative 31 over 4 plus 9, just 5 over 4 is the real thing. So when a is, okay, anything to the power of 0 is 1, right? Anything to the power of 0 is 1. So we'll say 1 plus b equals to 5 over 4. B equals to 1 over 4. So we got b equals to 1/4. And then we got product of a times b is 22. 20, okay, let's do this. 5 over 4. A equals to 225, bro. So let's test this out. So let's just check this out real quick. F, so negative a to power of x plus b, f y equals to f. No, let's do g of x equals to f of x minus 9 g of 0, which is 39. Hello? That's wrong. That's wrong. Where did I mess up, bro? I low-key messed up somewhere. Oh, it's -1. -1 plus b equals to 5 over 4, chat. And then you add 1, so b is equal to 9 over 4. Holy crap. Change this up. 9 over 4. Look. I'm making simple arithmetic mistakes. A, B, A equal to 25 now. A equals to 25. Let's change this up. There, A equals to 25. Weird question, boys. I would recommend this one. Very good question. Very good question here. Go up. Here. Next question. We're on like what? 55? Okay. Function is given by this equation. Just plug it into shitmos. That's what I call it at this point. X minus 28, x minus 42. Given by this function, we can tell that the minimum value is this. What value, for what value of x, which is 35, boys? Alina uses commuter take, city commuter take 40 minutes if she takes a subway. She can use rideshare, which takes 25 minutes. Honestly, this question is okay, easy to understand because when you have 40 minutes, right? 40 minutes and then m is between this time. You can essentially think of this as a inequality as it's given, and then essentially you just compute. So obviously it's not this because the time is greater than 40, which does not make sense at all. Which is so the total times 25 plus m. So essentially it's just gonna be c here. Oh wait, I messed up. I messed up the sign, bro. Well, so you guys know what I meant. Okay. Anyways. Bro, I'm just like randomly doing questions. Okay, positive number is this. Alright, boys, watch up. This about to save you in a test. You do this, bomb. Okay, ready, boys? It says number x1. We can type x1 equals to 1600% of the sum. Okay, the sum of y plus z. Okay, and then we say the y1. Okay, so now we have x1. Now let's. Why is it doing this? Okay, let's use b for x. Okay, a, b, c. Okay, and then b is what? 32% of c. 32% c. A equals to. Let's give this percentage. This. What percent of y is x? What percent of b? Okay, so let's see 512% of b. Bottom. It's not this one. 2112. That's not right. 5,000. 6600. Yeah. Weird question, bro. Weird questions need weird solutions. Next question we have up here is given, not given actually, just taking time. Okay, we got this question. Line M is parallel to line L, so we know there's just some parallelism stuff going on. Y equals to 48 degrees, Z equal to 64. Well, if you look at the Z equals to alternate equals, this is 64, this is 64, this is 64. So we're solving for X, so it's X is 180 minus 64. This is super free question, which is 116. This is all geometry, by the way. We have a curve, a to the bx. So this is very, very nice, actually. I think so. Let's use a table here. Let's use points we can actually tell on this line. We have the points 7, 50, 50, 60, 40, 50, 67. Bro, what the question are these? 6.5. What the hell is this scale, bro? I don't even know the scale, to be honest. Okay, what's this number? 2 over. It's by 2/3. It's by 2/3. So this is essentially 20 over 3, and it's 80. So next point, 0, 40 over 3. So y1. Where's the squiggly line? My Desmos is cooked, bro. Yo! Desmos just got fried up. B equals to 1.3 W. This is easy, boys. This is easy. This is all conceptual. If you get your conceptuals, you're actually trolling. Like, I swear to God. Okay. WW, next question. Okay. It's talking about percent increase. Okay. Let's just calculate the percent increase here. So percent increase equals to new minus old. So let's do this one. New minus old over old times 100. This is your percentage. So 8 times 4 equals to 32% increase. 30. Oh, it was 4 times. So it's gonna be 1 over 4 actually, boys. Bro, it's only 2% increase. So 1 or 2% of 1, 3. Hit a clip again. Math cannot stop us, bro. We're actually becoming warriors in math. And my PC has to lag. Okay, we have this question now. I don't even know what this means. P and Q constants, infinite many solutions. Okay, so we do this again. List regression format. Yeah, you can look at Desmos. 13x1 x1 plus 8 over 13 y1 minus 2 over 5. So it all equals 0 now. Set it equal to px1 plus qy1 minus 9 over 4. X1 equals to whatever you want. You see how p barely changes? I feel like this is wrong. But it's constant, 0.3846. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, maybe for this question we needed to do it this way. These questions you can't really use Desmos. This line, you have these 2 points, right? Table it. 0 and then 0.65 and then we have 1.04 comma 0. This is all we need. Do everything else. And now we can do px1 plus qy1 shifted 9/4. This is right. But these questions, remember to make it into an actual line first. Then use regression, then perfect. 2016 to 2019. 2016, 2019. 2019 was 90. New minus old, which is at 50, over old. Hopefully. W. I'll do English like after a little while. I'm just dropping all math questions right now. All right, circle and a point has this. Ooh, this looks like a tough question to be honest. Tangential lines. We have tangential lines. With the center given. So now we have a center and a point, right, boys? So we can do distance. Okay, this is very important, very important. So we can A equals to. This is a very, very, very good question actually. This is some like kind of pre-calculus I won't even lie, but like, so we want to do distance of 2 over 6, A comma B. We have 5. The radius is 5, right? So now we have a line going tangential to this circle. So now we have this point, right? So I'll make a table. Negative 2 over 3, 2 over 6. You create a line here. And now you want an opposite slope. So now your equation has to go through this point, and it has to have a opposite slope, okay? So then we have y k equals to negative 1 over 0.75 x. Has to go through this line. So what we're going to do is the green point is 2 over 6, right? That's all we're going to do. 2 over 6 is the only thing we need. We don't need linear regression anymore. Screw this. Let's delete regression. That's all we need. 2 over 6. My 1. I'm doing it slowly because I'm trying to like do this. Okay, well I'll do this by hand because this is easier. So we have y equals to negative 1 over 0.75 x plus b, and it goes through the point 6 equals to negative 1 over 0.75 times 2 negative 8 over 3 plus b, 6 plus 3, b equals to 26 over 3 is the answer. This is the line which is tangential, boys. Which of the following points also lie on P? So now we don't need this equation, and we can frankly just delete A over here. Now we just need to do the 6 comma 1. It doesn't lie on this line clearly. 5 comma 2. 5 comma 2 lies on this, and oh my goodness, what a problem! What a problem! Sure, next question. I think we're honestly good for math. We'll stop math at 8:30 or something. I will be fine with math, to be honest. I'm not worried about math questions particularly. Okay, we're gonna transition to English, to be honest, because that's where I lack a lot of skills. Where's my filters? Hard. Let's go medium hard. We'll do English for an hour and then we'll hop on. We will hop on question rush. English all topics. Let's go medium hard. Let's remove solved. Solved. Unsolved only. Okay. Medium hard and unsolved only is a very good mix, actually. So it makes it challenging, but not too challenging. Okay. Although many urban planners. It's not menacing. It's resolute. Okay. Mm-mm. What these harm is detrimental. Are these all just words in context, bro? I think these are all just words in context or something, bro. Let's go back. You know what? I'm gonna go in question mark only, bro. I'm gonna move word in context. We're gonna do only medium and hard questions on a rush. So houses. So there. Nice. Display why? No given solution. Wait, can we pause this or we can't pause this, bro? Oh my god. Okay. 0.25, 0.25, 0.25, 0.25. 0.25 is a slope. We need the slope to be 0.25. For x over n equals to 0.25. N is 16, bro. Nice. Findings. Bro, I didn't read. I didn't read this question. Starting amount. So 161, right? Okay, we have 1 more 10 seconds left. ABC. ABC. BC. AB equals to 65. BC equals to 72. AC to 97. Two over 97, bro. This is a bad. Rise for run. Is it 12? Okay. How many solutions? b plus 1 equals to negative 34. B equals to negative 33 here. So it's 86 equals to a of 2 1/25, dude. Okay, so Winning is increasingly. Talking about changing.
Mm. Hmm. Hmm.
I didn't pay attention to the question here. Bro, the range is the same, and U is greater. I'm gonna take a break. Alright, we're gonna take a 10-minute break by playing chess. Um, Genuinely, I need a break. He's here, I'm gonna play here. I'm gonna play to attack this. Pins me. Interesting so far. Kick him out. He goes for take takes and just hanging. Chess here. Yeah, I'm cooked. Let's play for some development angle. Oh, bro, this SAT prep is getting me cooked. I won't even lie, bro. Oh, how did I miss that, bro? Swear. I don't even know how I missed that, to be honest. It's like lost the game. It's okay, we're gonna suck. We're gonna open up everything, bro. Hell break loose on this car. Dude, SAT, when SAT isn't going so well, you have to just play chess. I'm just gonna clip this dude, bro. I don't care. On my life, I'll clip this kid, bro. He's playing good moves, but like, we're low-key gonna destroy this guy. Interesting move. Opponent kind of got cooked up, I won't even lie. Let's take this queen. To like that, and then we're gonna just start pawn grabbing. We're gonna play 7th heaven and like, this got blundered already, bro. He's stupid. Play some weird business. Let's kick this knight out. This is losing for him because doesn't he get trapped? Oh my god, bro. He gets trapped though. Buddy, where you hopping? He's free. Should I just take it? Yeah, I can just take it right. Yeah. Just hop, hop. Still winning any game for us for sure. Let's take the pawn. Oh, this is easy. GG's. Say one more. Let's play one more just to get a little bit relaxed. Hit this. Oh, I forgot about the bishop out. It's okay. I'll just like play for some time. Can you play this d4? Oh yeah, right. It's castle. Not gonna push for d4. Oh, they just hang the pawn. Hopefully I get this push, bro. Some push for the intention of grabbing some stuff. My brain isn't working, but just trying to win this way. trying to go for this. Oh my goodness, bro. Yeah, we're just on stuff. Whatever, bro. Kind of feeling the burnout already. I'm low-key getting burned out, bro. Are you also prepping? Just a question mark, but like, my just a mistake. You just from 3-9. Or just go to 169. 13. Exactly 1. That means it has to be like negative. Hundred is no solutions, right? You can see where it's 1. Bro, what? Oh, how I get this question automatically wrong? Yours good, bro. Bro, what SAT, bro? I'm getting a 15. Wait, so what are we doing? Wait, did we hit a full house? I'm getting tired, bro. I'm getting worn out, like I swear. Well, I'm gonna keep catfishing. Bro's always shot me before, right? Bro, you guys wanna run the same like practices and compare like our scores, like on one term? No, tomorrow I made a resolution. Tomorrow I'm not having a single problem. You know what I'm gonna do tomorrow? I'm gonna make a cheat sheet of every like thing I know, like math and English. Write down every single formula, every single thing I know. Yeah, I'm never a cheater, bro. You can cheat on everything except for relationships. Very powerful. I've never cheated. This is all live, bro. Yeah, like I guess you can't really hear our call. Like I put on my phone. अरे जयेंद्र पिशरी man. I was SAT man. You cooked? Or are you cooking? I got this easy SAT question wrong in math. Now I'm doubting my entire. I don't have a cheat sheet. What do you think I am? Bro, I literally man knows my strap. All I do is abuse that's more harder than man abuse. So it's like how can we go back? Guys, stop saying that word. Hey, don't move me. I come from South Punjab. He literally wants it. He's begging. Bro must think it's a girl. Yo, what? high cortisol. Buddy, that's all you. Buddy, that's all you. Well, my market moved. I'm up $500. Oh hell no! What the hell's a centered property? This question is genuinely hard, guys. This question is genuinely hard. Wait, guys, this question is genuinely hard. Wait, man, I only solved this question. You guys know that an equilateral triangle from the vertice to the middle is 2/3, which is called a chord property, which takes sine of 120 by, or you can use the chord property which says 2/3h equals the height, or you can use the formula given by r equals to s inverse square root of 3 in order to get the actual distance for the radius of the circle which is inscribed in the triangle. Well, I'll show my screen. The answer is 2 and 1 over 3. Just if you know how to get there, then. Bro, it's 2 and 1 over 3. I mistyped it. I knew how to do it. Perimeter of equilateral triangle is 633 inches. The three vertices of the triangle lie on the circle. The radius of the circle is k over 3, which is what's all you. The triangle is inscribed in this. The perimeter is 633. So inside is 2 and 1. 2 and 1. K over 3. That's the radius. generally like I'm just taking a break now. To be exhausted. That's wrong. Yeah, that question is really wrong. You have to use just remember if you have equilateral triangle, the height from the one vertex to the center is always 2/3 of the height of the entire. You can calculate some special 36 handicapes. Kind of get what was the answer? The answer was 211/3. Well, it's around 70.3. Yeah, if you get that question, it's perhaps. Buddy? Yeah, bro. Talking about some missing questions in math. Who do you think I am? I don't this one. Oh, you know my question. Give me a second. Probably. Yeah, now start from English, but probably definitely took time. Alright, better if your score better be like that. Do it.